Miss C, how's it working with Senator Laila?
Um, she was my first boss po in government. And marami po
What
ako
department?
sa Commission
CHR?
on Human Rights. I was a working student. Last year ko po sa law school for, for life reasons, financial reasons, I wanted to work. So it was a very ideal situation kasi law school, diretso lang po, Commission on Human Rights. So it was a good setup. But Senator De Lima is a very exacting boss. Talagang marami
Very.
exacting. Marami po akong natutunan. Very specific po siya, especially in communications, pagdating sa mga pagsusulat, very eagle-eyed pagdating sa editing. So, ganun, attention to detail na harness po sa akin yun. Also, when it comes to, commitment to the advocacies, I think, yun po, ay hindi naman matatawaran na kapag talagang sinabi niyang pinaniniwalaan niya yun, paninindigan po niya yun. So, as a boss po, I have a lot of respect for her, and I really hope na magkaroon po ng resolution po ang kanyang mga kaso. But that's for the courts to...
Did you ever visit her in Krame?
Yes po.
Frequently?
Not frequently po. As a staff, we used to be able to go there for meetings. Pero during the pandemic po, nabawasan na rin po yun. Yun po. For staff meetings, yes.
That's so good of you dahil alam ko mahirap talaga makulong at kailangan talaga maraming bisita dahil pag wala kang bisita talagang malulungkot ka. Ha? Yung kapitbahay. Let's take it from me. Anyway, you are currently director of... Nung nakulong si Senator Laila, nandun pa kami, di ba, ni Senator Bong?
If I remember correctly, opo. Parang tinuturo po nila kung saan yung sa inyo. Yung mga guard.
Senator Laila?
Hindi po.
Sino
yung mga guard. Yung mga guard.
Bakit kayo interesado na malaman kung saan kami?
I think, parang ano sila, feeling nila tour guide din po sila.
Sana binisita nyo rin kami.
Mahigpit, sir, di ba? Mahigpit eh. Mahigpit.
Baka sa kanila. You were only 32 years old then?
Hindi po.
Yeah. Oo.
34.
34. Sa ganda mo yan, papapasukin ka namin. Anyway, what's your main reason for joining the Foreign Service?
The Foreign Service, sir, matagal ko na pong pangarap yan. Siguro po pagka graduate ko pa lang po ng economics, ng business economics, that's already been the track that I wanted to go. I just really waited a while to gain more experience po in government, in real life, kasi feeling ko marami pa po akong kailangan malaman para makatulong po talaga when it comes to the Foreign Service.
Did you help your former boss in her legal battles?
Nung ano po, the factual circumstances coincided during the time when I was with her in the DOJ. Yes po, there are things na bawa schedule niya po, nasaan po siya noon, yun po. I'm able to assist in those circumstances po, in those aspects.
If I hire you as my consultant, will you?
I have limited authority to practice law and it cannot be against the government. So, basta hindi po criminal case.
No. Not my case because I already have a lawyer. In the Senate, if I hire you, will you accept my offer?
Yes, of course, sir.
According to your credentials, you have a very, very strong credentials.
Sa akin po.
And I need one like you.
Sa akin po, wherever I'm needed, that's where I go. I think that's the reason why I deferred this for so long, because I felt that one person needed me at that time. So, wherever I am able to serve, yun po.